Hello?
Hello, get bloody hell. Why you? I will cut your علاقات.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
I speaking Somali government and I will cut your علاقات. Oh,
Why,
your علاقات.
why, brother? Why, brother?
Because why you allow your country Musabihi?
Who's Musabihi?
Musabihi are here and you know Musabihi?
No. Wrong country, wrong country.
There's no because you are Guinea.
No. We are Guinea-Bissau.
You have another Guinea?
Yes, we are Guinea-Conakry. We have Guinea-Bissau.
Oh my God. Sorry. You're not Musabihi not there?
No. Musabihi not there.
No coming in Guinea?
No.
You sure?
No, brother. Yes.
One man like me is coming there?
No one coming there.
Somali like me.
No, we know Somalia.
Very tall, here and
Brother, we know Somalia. No Musabihi there.
no Musabihi there.
Yes.
Okay, I will back to you علاقات. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
علاقات 24 hours cut, but again, what happened? You have another, you have any contact?
Yeah.
Another Guinea?
Yeah, call Guinea-Conakry. Guinea-Conakry.
And you what? You Guinea-Bissau?
Guinea-Bissau.
Okay. وريا إلى عود معها كمان حيل كوتشر معها هو حيل كوتشر قل بسدة تشيرك وشر تدولي قاعد تاسعت أبغى أقول تاسعت تموسبي حتى يقول من مسكين الله بسدة عندها كوتشر إسا وما يقول ويا بسد يا كني بسد يا وكوا كوا والقدم تاع وكوا وشر سكوت أنا هذا إيش كده أنا هذا halka su'aal markaas waxaa sheegay kale waxaa sheegay new baba kini inuu shaqeyso hello you you are very hell new baba kini I know you why you Musabihi there
Who is speaking?
hello
Yes, who is speaking?
you are new baba kini
Yes, we are New Baba Guinea.
why Musabihi there I cut your علاقات now I cut your علاقات
Who is cutting my علاقات?
in Somali government
What happened?
because Musabihi there.
No. No one is here.
You are African. I am African.
No. Sorry, brother. No one is here.
You are not African.
We are African, but no one from Africa here. We don't have another country. Here.
You're Shakal Africa, but your country not Africa.
Yes. We are near.
You're near Australia.
Yes.
You're Shakal. Sorry. No, there's Musabihi.
No.
أنا اعتراف بيستي والله به سؤالتي وربس سؤال شر يا إلهي يا حكي لك يا وين بايدون تجلس يمكن إنسان صغير نوكل بيساو نيجي باب قلنا ما حقلي كليه ما حقلي بسم كلي تشير ما وروح هم حياة كذا قرمون بريها هذا المنايا سو Hello. Yeah, you Guinea?
Yes, Guinea.
Bloody hell, you Guinea? How many million?
We are.
You are 10 million?
Yes.
Are you 5 million or 3 million or 10 million?
More than 5 million.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
Why? I cut your علاقات. Bloody hell.
Why you cut my علاقات?
Because why you allow Musabihi there?
Brother, 30 years we don't have علاقات with you.
Huh?
We don't have علاقات with you for 30 years. You know, 30 years.
You know, African Union when they coming, we are حق علاقات and salam علاقات. You know, also.
Okay. What we can do now?
I know حق another time. No حق. If you come in, you. When they come, the you. No حق. No more حق. No more salam.
No.
I can't really hug you.
No.
No more.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that, brother.
No more hug.